Would you choose the AMD Ryzen 7950X or the Intel Core i9-14900K if you had to decide today? This isn't just a casual query, it's a heavyweight tech showdown. In one corner we've got AMD, a company that's been delivering high-performance processors for decades. In the other, Intel, a tech titan known for its cutting-edge innovation. Today we're pitting the Ryzen 9 7950X against the i9-14900K. Two processors enter, but only one can reign supreme. Let's find out which one of these tech giants comes out on top. First up, let's get to know the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. This beast is armed with 16 cores and 32 threads, enough to handle a heavy workload with ease. It operates at a base clock speed of 4.5 GHz, but can turbo boost up to an impressive 5.3 GHz when the going gets tough. The Ryzen 9 7950X is manufactured using the Zen 4 architecture on a 5nm process, a testament to AMD's commitment to cutting-edge technology. It has a thermal design power of 170 watts and is priced at $673. In terms of performance, users have given it a rating of 62%. It shines brightest when it comes to gaming, where it scores a 114% benchmark. It also performs admirably in UFO desktop and UFO workstation tests, scoring 115% and 151% respectively. So that's the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X for you. A pretty solid contender, wouldn't you say? Now let's turn our attention to the Intel Core i9-14900K. This powerhouse boasts a hefty 24 cores and 32 threads, making it quite the multitasking monster. Its base clock sits at a solid 3.2 GHz, but don't be fooled. It can turbo up to a lightning-fast 5.7 GHz when you need that extra power. The i9-14900K is built on Raptor Lake architecture using a 10nm manufacturing process. Its thermal design power, or TDP, is a comfortable 125 watts, which means it's not as power-hungry as you might expect from such a high-performance chip. The price? A cool $530. User ratings put it at a respectable 74%. And in terms of benchmarks, it's a gaming powerhouse, scoring 131%. It also performs admirably in UFO desktop and workstation tests, scoring 130% and 175% respectively. That's the Intel Core i9-14900K, quite the opponent for the Ryzen 9 7950X, right? Now that we've looked at both the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X and the Intel Core i9-14900K, it's time to decide which one comes out on top. On one corner we have the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X, a formidable competitor with its 16 cores, 32 threads, and a base clock speed of 4.5 GHz that turbo boosts up to 5.3 GHz. It's built on a 5nm Zen 4 architecture and has a TDP of 170 watts. Priced at $673, it's user rated at 62% and shows impressive benchmarks in gaming and workstation performance. On the other corner is the Intel Core, the i9-14900K. With 24 cores and 32 threads, its base clock speed is lower at 3.2 GHz, but the turbo boost reaches a blazing 5.7 GHz. It's built on a 10nm Raptor Lake architecture and has a lower TDP of 125 watts. Priced more affordably at $530, it enjoys a higher user rating of 74% and outperforms the Ryzen in gaming desktop and workstation benchmarks. Comparing these key specifications side by side, we see the Intel Core i9-14900K as the winner. It offers a remarkable combination of performance and value, earning a higher user satisfaction rating. So, the Intel Core i9-14900K takes the crown in this battle of the titans. But what do you think? Now we've had our say, but we want to hear from you. Are you Team Ryzen, rooting for the 16 cores and Zen 4 architecture? Or perhaps you're an Intel enthusiast, swayed by the 24 cores and the superior user rating. The battlefield of processors is vast and complex, with each contender brandishing its own set of strengths. So which side do you choose in this clash of the titans? AMD Ryzen 9 7950X or Intel Core i9-14900K? Don't forget to drop your choice in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.